Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best heated folding chair is probably one of the most innovative and comfortable outdoor seating solutions you can find. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a tailgating pro, or simply someone who enjoys a cozy seat by the fire, this chair promises to elevate your experience. With its built-in heating system and padded design, it's designed to keep you warm and relaxed in various weather conditions, making it a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Number 5. Aceletiqs Heated Stadium Seat with USB Battery. Tired of being cold at the game? This heated stadium seat brings the comfort of home to the bleachers. It has a heating mode that keeps you warm, plus a battery and plenty of pockets. This heated sports chair comes with a USB battery, so you can use it right away. It has 3 heat settings up to 115°F, perfect for staying cozy at any game, indoors or out. This seat is 20 inches wide with a waterproof bottom. It has memory foam cushions and 6 reclining positions. Plus, it offers back support and armrests. With a large back pocket, 3 zippered side pockets, and a cup holder, you'll have plenty of storage. It's foldable with back straps, making it easy to take to games or anywhere outdoors. Aceletiqs is confident in the product, offering a money-back and lifetime guarantee. Their support team is available for any questions or needs. What we like. This heated stadium seat includes a USB battery, so you can start enjoying the warmth right away. It also features multiple pockets for all your essentials. If you're looking for a hassle-free, comfortable seating solution for sporting events or outdoor activities, this is a great choice. With a lifetime guarantee, you can rest assured that it will last. What people say. The seat is incredibly comfortable, with great back support and just the right amount of padding. The heating function works like a charm, especially on chilly nights at the field. It folds up easily and comes with backpack straps, super convenient for carrying to and from games. Number 4. SUNNYFEEL Heated Rocking Camping Chair. Introducing the SUNNYFEEL Heated Rocking Camping Chair. This chair utilizes USB-powered heating technology, allowing you to stay warm and comfortable during any outdoor activity. You will need to provide your own power bank, but the chair itself is designed for convenience. The chair features advanced heating technology that safely penetrates your body. With a simple push of a button, it can warm up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It works with any USB battery pack and can last for hours, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Setting up this portable heated lawn chair is incredibly easy. Just take it out of the carry bag and unfold it. You'll be relaxing in supreme comfort in no time, whether you're camping, at a concert, or enjoying a picnic. This portable rocker chair has built-in side pockets on each armrest, perfect for storing your essentials. The solid locks keep it folded tightly for safe storage. It's designed to make your outdoor experience as convenient as possible. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, and the double-seam Oxford cloth ensures durability. You don't have to worry about wear and tear, as it's built for heavy-duty use. This chair is an investment in long-lasting comfort. Enjoy a comfortable seating experience with the fully padded armrests and high back. The smooth rocking design helps you relax. When not in use, it folds up compactly, saving you valuable space. What we like. This heated camping chair offers a relaxing rocking function, perfect for unwinding outdoors. It's built with a heavy-duty frame, supporting up to 500 pounds. If you enjoy camping, picnics, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this chair's combination of comfort and portability makes it ideal. You will love the rocking motion. What people say. The chair has a good design. The chair is very comfortable. The heating function works well. Number 3. HOPERAN Heated Stadium Seat. Introducing the HOPERAN Heated Stadium Seat. This seat keeps you warm with 3 heat settings, powered by any USB battery. The cushion and backrest heat up together, ensuring safe and worry-free warmth. Adjust the backrest to 6 different angles for your perfect position. With thick foam and armrests, it offers sofa-like comfort. Instructions are included to help you customize it to your liking. Built with a lightweight steel frame and waterproof fabric, this chair is made to last. Non-slip bottom and straps keep it stable, and backpack straps make it easy to carry. This stadium seat has a big back pocket, drink holders, and side pockets for your essentials. These features enhance comfort and convenience, making it the perfect companion for outdoor events. The HOPERAN stadium chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It's perfect for various outdoor events, providing added comfort wherever you go. It's also a great gift for any occasion. What we like. This stadium seat prioritizes safety with its insulated heating wires and multiple heat settings. You can also customize your comfort with an adjustable backrest. If you're looking for a versatile and portable heated seat for various outdoor events, this chair's thoughtful design and added convenience make it a great option. It's perfect for any outdoor event. What people say. The heating feature is amazing. I like that this one heats up your lower back too. They are comfortable to use, feel stable in the bleachers and hold up well to repeated use. The heating works great and keeps both the back and seat warm even in really cold weather. Number 2. Aceletiqs heated stadium seat. Tired of cold bleachers? This heated stadium seat brings the comfort of home to your favorite games. It features a heating mode to keep you warm and cozy. This seat comes with a USB battery, so you can enjoy the heat right away. It has 3 heat settings up to 115°F, perfect for any outdoor or indoor event. With a waterproof bottom and memory foam cushions, this seat keeps you dry and comfortable. It also offers adjustable reclining positions and back support. Multiple pockets and a cup holder keep your essentials organized. This foldable seat is perfect for sports games or any outdoor activity. Aceletiqs offers a lifetime guarantee for this product. They are confident in their product and provide full customer support. What we like. This heated stadium seat includes a USB battery, so you can start enjoying the warmth right away. It also features multiple pockets for all your essentials. If you're looking for a hassle-free, comfortable seating solution for sporting events or outdoor activities, this is a great choice. With a lifetime guarantee, you can rest assured that it will last. What people say. It's comfortable, wider than other seats, and the warming function is great. It is the first time I've sat in a metal seat stadium and did not have a sore back when I left. My back was well supported and I could adjust the heat as the evening got colder. Lightweight and easy to carry W backpack straps, it's large enough to fit comfortably even W big coats and blankets, it reclines to get the perfect comfort level, the armrests are great, and the fact that it heats up is the best part. Number 1. ARROWHEAD Deluxe Folding Camp Quad Chair. This chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. You can enjoy the comfort and convenience it offers. Made with heavy-duty 600D Oxford polyester canvas fabric, this chair is built to last. It can withstand various weather conditions and heavy use. You can rely on it for years to come. The armrest cooler and storage pouch provide convenient storage. You can easily store your phone, bottle opener, or lighter. It can even hold up to 6 cans. Keep your spirits high with the built-in wine glass holder. It securely clips wine, martini, margarita, champagne, and any other stemmed glasses. This feature adds a touch of luxury to your outdoor experience. The insulated cup holder keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature. It fits glasses, cups, and cans up to 4.5 inch wide. Enjoy your favorite beverages without worrying about them getting warm. The back mesh storage is perfect for storing your essentials. You can keep hats, sunglasses, snacks, and other loose items within reach. This adds extra convenience to your outdoor relaxation. What we like. This chair comes with a built-in cooler and a wine glass holder, perfect for enjoying your favorite beverages. It's also heavy-duty, with a high weight capacity. If you like to tailgate, camp, or simply relax outdoors with a drink in hand, this chair's unique features make it a must-have. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor gathering. What people say. Height was perfect, sits pretty tall. The material on the seat is soft, making it comfortable. I like the little storage for drinks. Very sturdy, lightweight, strong and reliable. Very comfortable and easy to pack and fold back out. Holds weight well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.